Hey YouTube, what's up? Another project today again. Remember, I don't know if you watched my other video. I was coring some holes, and you can see some of the concrete that I cut out from the concrete slabs. Check my other video, you'll see that. So if you look at the back here, you see I have some holes in concrete slabs here. A number of holes. Now I have to put a device in there. I know I'm gonna refill the area with concrete, but because the job is a quick going job, I don't have time to wait for normal concrete from the store or normal concrete mix. So today I'm going to be using hydraulic cement. I've used hydraulic cement in the past. For the past 16 years we've been doing that. It worked. Some of the tests that we do the hydraulic cement, we've reached temperature, or we've tested it with temperature of over 2000 degrees or close to 2000 degrees. So today I'm going to be using some hydraulic cement. Normally you use hydraulic cement because it's quick. Depending on how depending on the mixture you do, it will start curing in the first 5 minutes. Because it cures using a process of heat, you can slow down the process by adding ice. We've done it before where we add ice to it, so it gives you time to work with. In my case, I pretty much can mix it. I pretty much can control the mixture of it. But we're gonna go ahead. The one that we're gonna be using is this one here. It's called Dammit. So the one we're going to be using is this one here. There's different manufacturers. You can go to Home Depot or your different stores and buy hydraulic. And you look at the name down here, right there, hydraulic cement. So that's what you're going to be using. I've done it before where I've mixed it with ready mixed concrete. So you can add it in ready mixed concrete to give you a faster curing process. So I'm just going to show you how I quickly do, and when it cures, it should be pretty much close to something like this. And so that's what I'm looking for. So normally when I do this, I always add my water first. If it's your first time, I would recommend that you read the side, get the mixture to make sure you have the proper mixture on there. With me, I put my water first. Then I add my cement so that it doesn't clog at the bottom of the bottom. So it moves really quick.